Okay, guys. Now let's start with the beginners category. Beginners in third position with Kaushik Patel.